Ek het geweet ek was in 'n emosionele abuse gewees.
I've experienced a lot of abuse, like types of abuse, but I didn't know about it. I didn't know where to go to.
Gender-based violence gebeur daagliks en dit gebeur naby ons in ons gemeenskappe.
Die doelwit van die trust is om in die vrugtebedryf die vrugtewerkers te bemagtig en hulle lewenskwaliteit te verbeter.
Basically, the transformation of agricultural sector must be looked at as at the whole value chain level. And I think the tendency is to look at the other parts of the value chain, but not the workers. Therefore, the Fruit Workers Development Trust ensures that when the industry transforms, the whole value chain, including the workers who are the critical part of the value chain, who are the important asset, are also benefiting from the transformation and are also part of the transformation process.
It's very important to take these type of programs to the farms because most of our farms are really isolated from resources. It's not easily accessible. So we need to empower them with knowledge, with education and with the motivation to do something and to get assistance because they really deserve it.
Om te dink dit goed gebeur by ons en baie kere steek ons dit weg. Ons wil vir niemand sê en ons wil nie praat daaroor nie want ons is skaam oor wat die mense gaan sê.
I've experienced a lot of abuse, like types of abuse, but I didn't know about it. I didn't know where to go to and who I can talk with. And some of the people that I'm working with, there are people that are coming from me, like looking for help, and I didn't know where to go to.
Soos ek het geweet, ek was in 'n emosionele abuse gewees. Maar ek het daar uitgekom. Die stappe te vat, daar was stappe om te vat, daar was prosedure om te volg, om uit dit te kom.
I think all of us are carrying a key in stopping gender-based violence, and one of the big groups in society who are carrying this key are parents. Because the way that I teach my children, the way that I educate my children will play a role in the type of adult that my child will be.
Ek het my verhouding verander teenoor die kinders. Ek is nie meer daai aggressive groot sterk pa nie. So mens moet maar die werkwinkel is eintlik 'n goeie ding.
Ek het geleer om my kind nader aan my te trek as wat ek hom wegstoot, want dit gaan aan. In sy generasie gaan dit aangaan. So ek het geleer om sagmoedig te kan wees teenoor hom.
Ek maak self 'n dogtertjie groot. Ik was bij emotioneel zo gaan. Ik kom en dan praat van nou kom. Ik was eentje bij streng op haar geweest. Maar toen was ik drie moeite weer om zo. Ze gaat naar andere dingen denken. Heel veel van die pad af en toe halen. Mijn vrouw van mij kunnen bij nader komen. En ik hou waarvan.
Jy is nie alleen nie. Ons as mense geneig om te dink jy is alleen in 'n situasie en dat daar wel hulp is. En because dit is hierdie bankjies aangebied wat vir ons waar jy kan bel as jy hulp nodig het.
Also, people are going to ask that person, what is that wristband around your arm? And that open a conversation for them to share some of the information that they received in the training. Because that is also something that we promoted a lot. This is for the workers sitting in front of us, but they must also become part of a group that take the message further because all of us must do something to stop it.
For me, it was a really good experience because most of the things that are happening in front of us, there are things that we don't notice, that these things are the things that are holding us behind. But as soon as I was at this course, I can know how to help people. I can help myself. We can help the community and even the productivity in the farm.
What was interesting for me is that we had cases where people came forward afterwards to say, I grew up in a home where violence was very prevalent. Or I also got people who said, I am in this situation and now I know what to do. So thank you. So I think the empowerment of of victims was also really a big part of this outreach.
Vir ons as werkers het dit vir ons regtig baie gehelp. Ons as werkers en ons as werkers weet nou dat daar is vir ons iemand daar buite wat ons kan help.
Dat dit 'n baie groot verandering kon bring, want na die program het ons verder gesels oor dit en ons het mekaar begin luister in watter situasies wie. So as ek nou terugkyk, as sien ek maar dit is beter. Ek hoor nie meer klagtes nie. Ek hoor nie meer die week moet ek my bankkaart weer gegee dit nie. Ek hoor nie laas week was ek weer geslat op blou oog. Nee, ek hoor net dat is net rustig en stil.
From a decision maker point of view, I'm happy that we decided to roll out this program because I think we have employees that are empowered to be able to deal with issues, not using violence. And also we have employees who, for example, if they are victims of gender-based violence, they know what to do.
So die kursus wat ons bygewoon het vir my baie wake-up gegee om vir mense daar buite wat ek kan bewus is wat in gender-based violence in lewe. En ek kan vir hulle motiveer om te sê, maar jy is nie alleen nie.
Ons werkers is vir ons belangrik en as ons sê ons doelwit is om werkers te bemagtig en die lewenskwaliteit van werkers te verbeter, dan word dit belangrik dat ons wel hierdie tipe issues aanspreek.
I want to tell the community and the workers that don't be afraid, speak up, love yourself, because if you don't love yourself, you will allow any type of abuse to you because you don't love yourself. So if you speak up and you love yourself, then you can help others and be the example.